Hello kids, let's start with our EVS 2 lesson number 4 evaluation. Now, see what is given in the picture. Yes, can you see this? Now, let us see what are we going to see in this lesson. The concept of evaluation, then the stages of evaluation of animals and apes. So, let's begin. First, we will see the concept of evaluation. The word evaluation is generally understood to mean gradual and continuous change. What is the meaning of gradual? Slow. Now, evaluation in the plant and animal world can be explained in the following manner. What it is? Come on. In the process of survival by adapting means to adjust to environmental changes, certain internal physical changes occur in some animals of a species. What is species? A group of similar organisms. Over a period of time, these internal changes become inherited characteristics seen in all following generations. What does it mean? Character transferred from one generation to another. Now, we will go further. What it is? Thus, a new species with characteristics different from the original may be created. Such a species is usually more evolved than the original one. Sometimes the original species dies out or becomes extinct, means to vanish or die. Sometimes more than one species evolve from the original one. The first scientist to give us a systematic explanation of the concept of evaluation was Charles Darwin. Species. Species which are capable of adapting to environmental changes are able to survive. The ones that cannot do so become extinct in the process of evaluation. In ancient times, there were many species of a type of animal called dinosaur. Dinos is Greek means terrible and saurus means lizard or reptile. Dinosaur means a terrible lizard. I hope you know about it. Some of these dinosaurs were enormous in size. What does it mean? Very large in size. It appears that these species of enormous dinosaurs suddenly became extinct. They did not survive. Extinct means to die, cannot survive. Some sudden natural disaster or environmental change is believed to be responsible for their extinction. Fossils means the remains of impressions of a prehistoric plant or animal found in rock of dinosaurs with wings have been discovered. It is believed that some species of two-legged and winged dinosaurs evolved into birds. The stages of evaluation of animals. We have learned in the previous lesson that life on Earth began with unicellular organisms known as protozoa. These unicellular organisms gave rise to multicellular living things. The multicellular organism evolved gradually and various classes of plants and animals came into being. The following are the stages of evaluation of animals. Let us see. What are they? Chitin, octopus, snail. They are animals without a backbone are called invertebrates. For example, a snail. Vertebrate. What is vertebrate? Let us see. Animals which have a backbone are called vertebrates, like shark, seahorse. Look at the ones given below. For example, aquatic animals, fish, amphibians, animals which live in water and also on land. For example, a frog is known as amphibians. Birds, reptiles, animals which crawl, for example, a snake. Have you seen a snake crawling? Yes. Mammals, example, a cow. Mammals are the most evolved animals among vertebrates. The following are the characteristics of most of the mammals. Growth of the baby in the mother's womb for some time before birth. The baby is fed on the mother's milk for some time after birth. These are what characteristics. The platypus and some species of anthier are exceptions to this. They are considered mammals because even though they lay eggs, they suckle their young ones. Suckle means feed a baby or young animal by the breast milk. Apes. Apes are somewhat like humans in appearance. They mostly lived on trees. Those species of apes which continue to live on trees retain their original ape-like form. Retain means to remain same. However, in grasslands, some ape species were forced to move around on the ground. These species evolved gradually and in time gave rise to the human species. This happened first on the African continent. The first human species is called the primitive man. Primitive means the first. In the next lesson, we shall learn more about the evaluation of the human species. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.